Hello guys. Hello guys. Hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. Now, so we will see some of the manual test case validations. Okay. So how we are doing manual testing? Suppose my test case is so verify that the user will be able to log in into the application with valid credentials. I'm saying that so user should be able to log into the application with valid credentials. Okay. How you are going to validate this? So by choosing manually. Now the application is giving valid credentials as admin123, right? So username is admin, password is admin123. So both are valid credentials. Now my test case says log into the application with valid credentials. So admin tab admin123. Okay. So click on the login button. So user login is successful. So this is my test case validation. So verify that the user will be able to log in application. Okay. So this is the first test case. Okay. So I'm going to discuss with you login test service. Login test. Right? Okay.